Okay, welcome back. I thought I'd come in with a banks cut. Today I was using actually the Lizard Mould with the adjustable lid on it, and it is a really good little bit, this, especially for the pine cones or anything that floats in resin. Works perfect with. I picked this one up when I was down at the workshop from the House of Resin. These are one of my favourite blanks actually, but that's them all done. There was two types of actually, and I couldn't tell you what the different types of the pinecone blanks were, but there was two different types that I used. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Really it was just showing the advantage of this. I mean, I've done pine cones with and without it, but it's just I absolutely know that the pine cones will be pushed to the bottom, and that's a great thing with this type of kit. Thank you very much for watching.